There is... Is that a cow? Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Oh my god! What was that? Oh. Rat stapler. Roblox's most realistic rat hunting simulator. Okay. Oh! Okay. Oh my god. The woods are beautiful, but something is wrong. Look at my beloved. Though I wish she was beautiful like the rodents of the woods. And so I'll cover her in the rodents of the woods. What? What? God is coming in 5 days. Ah! Is this my beloved? I don't know. Oh no! Is that... Ah! I got a rat! Oh my god. Hunting tips. Rats are quite skittish and run about wildly if they hear something they feel threatened. Blah blah blah. Rats are vocal creatures. You'll hear them squeaking a fair amount even before you see them. Use your ears. Tip of the day. Rats get startled by loud noises. Oh really? Oh, they sound so cute. Oh no! Ah, I got one. I got a rat. I got a rat. What is this? Ooh, ammo. Nice. Oh yeah. We are eating good tonight. Oh. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Ah! I'm so sorry. I need 5 rats. That's my goal. This place is nice. I like this place. This is a really chill place. I wonder. I'm sorry. I just love shooting rats, I guess. Okay. While we hunt for rats, I just want to say my one video, put it on the screen. I got 1.2k. Oh. 1.2k views, and I just gotta say, guys, thank you. Oh, see one? Oh! I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the support you've given me. We are almost at 100 subscribers. No, I just want to say I'm really appreciative of all the love you guys give me. Put it on screen. Put on screen some of the nice comments that I've gotten. Anyways, oh, this is my beloved. My love, I love you. I cover you with rats. Oh, it's time for bed now. You are sleeping. I just dream of rats, I guess. That's amazing. Oh, and I'm up. My love, are you enjoying the rats that I've given you? Yeah. It's day 4 now. Ooh, that's day 2. What a good day. Ah, I found another one. There we go. Let's see if the... Oh, it's a fast one. Tips of the day. You could use your rat call to lure in big rats. Whoa. Listen out for its response to track it down. Where exactly? Press T/Y to use your rat call. Die! That's one. Uh-oh. Oh, what is this? You shan't killeth thy rat unless mutteth seeketh consequence. Whoa, 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 what is that? What was that? What was that? Is that a big rat? Oh no. What is that? Should I have looked at that paper? Uh-oh. Anyways. What the? Is that God? What is that? Oh, I haven't seen this place yet. Oh, let me explore. Let me explore. This is very off. Oh, move! Off-putting. Barry's DVD store and also Barry's house. What is that? Ah! Ow! 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 Oh! 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 What the heck? Was I just shot? Who just shot me? Oh my god. Who shot me? That was very rude. I think that was Barry. Let's explore this place. Ooh, paper. Let's see. Rat fact. Rats actually don't have hair. They just wear nice warm clothes because it's cold. Oh, I just wasted one. Ooh, on the top. Stop. Okay, on the top it says I need a large one. What? Oh! What the heck was that? Was that a ghost rat? Oh my god! Oh. I don't want to scare off the big rat. I just saw it. I gotta be quiet. I gotta be really quiet. I'm calling. Oh! It just called back. I didn't press it. Hey, where'd the rat go? Oh man. Where is that big old rat? Hey, stop. Oh! This is hard! Oh, cheese. Oh yeah, I found cheese! Actually, fun fact. Rats don't like cheese, actually, that much. They prefer grains. That's a cool fun fact of the day. Oh, that was really loud! Ow! Okay, I need to get some heals. Oh. Oh yeah. Ooh, I need more bullets. Bam. I'm gonna go crazy. I can't find a big rat. Oh, I heard it. But where? Oh, heals. I need heals. Yeah, I need heals. Oh! Big ol' rat! Yeah! Oh, come to Papa! I'm gonna die. I couldn't aim! Okay, good. I'm good. I almost died to a rat game. That's embarrassing. Okay. Just some purple glue. Oh! Inside! Go inside! My love! I'm back! Oh, you look so beautiful. Is there gonna be a big rat? Aw, look beautiful as always. And I'm dreaming of rats again. I'd be happy if I dreamed about rats. That sounds like a good dream. Okay. Something was scratching on my window last night. What the heck? I should investigate. Okay. Oh! Die! Oh! I think we're good. Is Barry's door open? Oh, I'm the best rat hunter this world has. Oh my days. I'm gonna call the big old rat. I'm gonna call the rat. Yep. Hey. Where is it? Where's that? Oh, where is it? Oh! Oh, it's just messing with me, dude. Hey, look at this place. Oh, it's loud. It's really loud. Okay. Hey, it's way too loud. Oh, yeah. Die! Oh! Okay, that wasn't fair. Calling. That's a big old rat! Yeah. Hell yeah. Come back! Aww. I've never really been good at video games. Gun games? Yeah, so whatever. Oh yeah! Die! Oh yeah. I should head home. It's what, day 3? Oh, I got only a couple more days until God comes. Yay! Oh, mamacita. What a hard day. Honey, you look so cute! Oh yeah. Ooh, you look so warm. Oh yeah. Don't you look amazing. And I'm sleeping. What a lovely day. Okay, day 4? Oh no. Oh, 2 rats! I wonder who's killing them. We got a squirmer. Oh, I've been missing the rat facts! These papers change all the time. Read them all on every day. Yeah, I should probably look at them more. Except that one. That one's time to hunt me some rats. Oh, he's here. Oh, he's ready to play. He's ready. Where is he? Where's that big bastard? Oh, I see him. Oh yeah! Oh! Professional hunter. Yep, I got that badge. They just can't escape me. I wonder what happens day 5. Hopefully no one interrupts my hunting extravaganza. I kind of feel bad for these rats. I feel like the rats are gonna it's gonna backfire me someday. That's all I'm saying. That's my guess. I should head home. As I should. Oh, well, look at you. Yeah. And now I'm sleeping. It's oddly quiet today. Oh, never mind. I hear rats. Okay. Here I come, Walt! Day 5. God is coming today. Uh-oh. Tip of the day. Good luck. Only 1 rat today. It's nice. Oh, there's one. Oh, I'm really scared. I don't want God to come. I'm really scared, man. Rat fat. There is. Is that a cow? Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! What was that? What? Was that a big rat? No. Oh, I'm almost dead. Was that God? No. Oh no. I gotta get the stuff now. There's no rats. Hello? No, 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 no. Kill. Die, die, die! It just blew up. What? Ooh, I need health. Pronto. Oh, right here. Here we go. I am almost out of bullets too. Okay, there's I need 2 more. Oh, please, Lord. Ah! Ooh, I got him though. Ooh, I'm low-key the best at this game. Oh man, I kind of feel bad now. I think this is sort of what I get for killing rats and stapling it on my wife. Okay. Oh! Oh yeah. 5. God is coming in 2 minutes. What do I do? Notes. Help me! What have I done? No. No. What does it say? What have I done? Oh, what are these? Oh no! I really screwed up, man. I must prepare to meet God. No! No! I'm sorry. What do we do? Do I hide? I don't know, man. What does it say? What have I done? I don't know what I've done. Okay, I'm gonna kill him. I don't know if that would work, but I'm gonna try anyways. It's kind of peaceful. Oh! Ow! Didn't mean to do that. It's kind of peaceful, you know. No! God is coming! No! 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 I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I just missed my wife. No! No! Stop! Where is it coming from? No! Oh! No, please, I'm sorry. No, God, please. I'm sorry, I'll pray. I'll do whatever you want. God! No! God, please! I'm sorry! No, please! God! God is here! No! Where? Is he from the sky? What? No! Where's he coming from? God is here! Where? Ah! That's peaceful. Oh, rat stapler. That's I met God. Oh God.